Hey y'all, this is Porty1119 with Headframe Hunters with episode, what is it, 4? 5? Episode number fill in the blank of the mining series. So, I'm guessing that the intro to this video kind of gave you a clue what's happening today. And then this should give you a little bit more of a clue. So, our investor has come through and we're going to be doing a little bit of, to start out, rehab, and then some pre-production work at mine number 2. I think that we might well be doing about 50 foot of drifting to try to get to that hole 10 intercept. So we need some hydraulic work done on the young buggy, and then it should come up here. And I've got another piece of machinery that's also going to be coming by for this job. Y'all haven't seen it yet because we still haven't gotten it hauled up to the yard, which is a little bit of a sore spot, but hey, we're working on it. I'm just dealing with the hand that we've been dealt. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the 911, start her up, turn the lights on. They're good lights, by the way. Cat LEDs, and take her down the hole. So today all we're going to be doing, because it's getting pretty close to dark, burned a lot of daylight getting her loaded and trucked over because the road's a bit special. What we're just going to be doing today is taking her down and parking her at a crosscut next to the magazine stope with the 913, and then we should be back tomorrow with, I don't know if that'll be a different episode or if it's just going to be a continuation of this one, but we'll be back tomorrow and doing more work. Okay, now we're down at the magazine stope level. We're shooting with those big old cat lights now. So there's a little bit of smoke and haze in the air because we're just running off a natural vent. Tomorrow we should have the fan and genset recommissioned. But as you probably saw, we only came in a few hundred feet. So that's Big Chungus all lit up in all of its, well, I hesitate to say glory, but you get the idea. And I just backed the 911 up into the magazine crosscut. It's kind of a tight squeeze, and getting back in is going to be fun.
That may be my job.
Yeah, it might, because I'm like 6 inches from the rib there, but it's okay. I can always come over the other side. Yeah, I've got her all lit up on battery power for now. Yeah, we're gonna try and get the 913 jumped because its battery is dead, deader than dead. Get it jumped so we can get the mag crosscut or the mag drift all cleared, and be able to park the 911 there, and then other machinery as it starts to come in. But I figured y'all would be really happy to finally see this machine in its natural habitat. It's not his first time working up at this mine, but hopeful this will be productive, because this machine is a lot more manageable, low maintenance, and economical to run compared to the 913. So I think we're gonna pick up where we left off in the morning.